Hello everyone, this is a video about the introduction to the course of Introduction to Financial Accounting. My name is Vân Hồng Vũ and I will be your professor for this semester. Right? Warmly welcome to Eastern Junior Lin and to your first semester. This course is your gateway to understanding the language of business. And if you have never studied accounting before, you are in the right place. This course is designed for all backgrounds, so no prior experience is necessary. So, you might be wondering why study financial accounting. We call it the language of business and vision for a few key reasons. First, for your career, this knowledge is essential. Whether you're going into technology, management, or larger corporate environment, or even you want to launch your own startup after your study. Second, for your professional life, understanding accounting empowers you to make informed financial decisions and manage your own money more effectively. And finally, it is a core competence you will use everywhere. You're going to learn exactly how companies track, measure, and report their financial performance. So, what are you looking for the learning objective, right? So, by the end of this course, you will have a solid set of new skills. You'll be able to define the core concept of accounting and bookkeeping. You'll be able to apply fundamental accounting rules and principles. You also be able to analyze and accurately record all of the business transactions. And furthermore, you'll be able to prepare and interpret the key financial statement, like a balance sheet and income statement. And last but not least, you will analyze a company's financial performance using the financial ratio analysis, right? So together this will cover the topic from fundamentals, building block of accounting, the recording the process, and also give you the insight, the deep insight to understand the structure of the classified balance sheet and income statement. So using the horizontal, vertical, and ratio analysis to assess the company's financial performance. So now let's talk about how the course is run, right? So the course is made up of 8 sections, each section lasting for 2 hours. Each section will have a similar structure. We start with an introduction to the concept and principle of accounting, and then we move into hand-on practice and in-class activity to make sure the ideas stick and to make sure that you can apply this concept and principle to yourself. One important thing, please be sure to bring a full charge of computer to every class. I will also assign some ungraded homework and quiz after each class to help you to reinforce your learning. So now talking about the grading. Your final grade is based on three components. First, a group project will be worth for 20%. You will work in a team of 4 or 5 students, right? The second, a midterm individual test will also be worked for 20%. This will be the 1 hour online test with multiple choice of questions. The remaining of 60% of your grade will come from the final written exam. It will be 2 hours of test without any document. So be careful because you bring your this is a close document and test, and also there's no computer, no telephone. So be careful to bring you with you the calculator. So to help you succeed, there are few required material. We'll be using the two books. The first is the Financial Accounting by Kiman, Wagan, and Kiso, and Fundamental Principle Accounting Concept by Edmonds and Arthur. You also need a simple non-programmable calculator for the exam, as I mentioned before. And don't worry about taking notes on everything you see on the screen. The PowerPoint slides will be available on Junior Learnings before each class, right? And you can find others support document in this also. So that covers our introduction for the course of Introduction to Financial Accounting. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can email me by as the email van.hong.vu@arobas.junior.com. My office is at the ALG's building, the first floor, and you can find me at the office 108. First office hour like usual. So before our first class, please go to the Junior Learning to review the welcome letter and introductory material. I really look forward to a great semester with all of you, and let's get started. Thank you very much. Bye for now and see you soon in our next class.